Assalamualaikum dear students, myself is Gulshan Sana, I am your chemistry teacher. Here today we study electrochemical industries. Dear students, hope you all are fine, good in health. Today in electrochemical industries we study, first of all we study about manufacturing of sodium metal from fused NaCl. On the industrial scale, molten sodium metal. What is meant by molten sodium metal? Sodium metal in not pure solid state, not in pure liquid state, is obtained by the electrolysis of fused NaCl in Dawn cell. Here we study Dawn cells. As you know that there are two types of cells: electrolytic cell and galvanic cells. And further, electrolytic cell electrolysis converted into electrolysis and galvanic cell have another type, Dawn cell. This electrolytic cell is a circular furnace. In the center, there is a large block of graphite. Here, these are the constructions of the cell. You just write here heading construction of the cell. Okay, firstly here is the manufacturing of sodium metal from fused NaCl. No, construction of cell. In construction of cell, you write first line is that Dawn cell. This is the type of galvanic cells. And next you write this is a circular furnace. In the center there is a large block of graphite which act as a node. This line is very important in MCQ's point of view, which is almost 5 times repeated in board exam, which act as a anode. In sodium metal, in manufacturing of sodium metal from fused NaCl, which thing act as a anode? Graphite act as a anode. It means that another statement is that anode is made up of which material? Graphite. So keep in mind, anode is made up of graphite and cathode is made up of iron. In manufacturing of sodium metal from fused NaCl, anode is made up of graphite and cathode is made up of iron. Here is the difference. Okay. Next we move. Here is the construction of the cell. Now we move a diagram which clear the idea about construction. Here is the diagram. First thing is in the diagram, here is carbon anode. Carbon means graphite. Here is graphite anode. Okay, and the remaining things all around the anode is cathode. Cathode is made up of iron. Okay, here is a solution of molten NaCl means solution liquid solution of NaCl. No, here is tube connected to a collect sodium metal. Here NaCl split into Na and Cl. Chlorine gas is released from here and sodium metal is collected in the tube. Steel saccharine to prevent sodium and chlorine intermixing. Here is we use steel saccharine which separate both chlorine and sodium metal. Here are here I write the in text form. The thing is that okay. Here you all see that how sodium chloride split into NaCl. Okay. Next, it split into Na positive, Na positive and Cl negative. This sodium is converted in neutral form and collected here, and this chlorine is changed into neutral form and it released from this tube. Okay, in this way sodium chloride is split into sodium metal and chlorine gas. Dear student, I again explain this thing in simple form, simple language, which clear your concept about manufacturing of sodium metal. Dear students, here you all see the diagram. In diagram, two main parts. First is anode and second is cathode. Anode and cathode is separated with the help of a steel sheet. Okay, and second thing is that molten sodium chloride is used here, and after splitting of NaCl, here sodium metal is collected and chlorine gas is released from the beaker. In this way, we get pure sodium metal from the splitting and the electrolysis of sodium chloride. After diagram, here we learn about working of the cell. The fused NaCl produced Na positive and chloride ions. I already explained you sodium chloride is separated into sodium plus charge and chlorine convert into chloride ions which migrate to their respective electrode on the passage of electric current. It means that if sodium chloride positive charge, it migrate to negative electrode and chlorine carry negative charge, it migrate to the positive electrode. Reason is that anode carry positive charge, chlorine migrate towards anode. Here again you all see that carbon is anode is made up of graphite, it carry positive charge. So chlorine is migrated towards this anode and here it move from upward. Okay. And here cathode carry negative charge. Cathode made up of iron and iron is Fe minus. Fe convert attract Na positive sodium metal and sodium metal is released in this tube. The same statement is explained here. The electrodes are separated by steel gas to prevent the contact between the product. The chloride ions are oxidized to give an chlorine gas at anode. It is collected over the anode within an inverted cone-shaped structure. While sodium plus are reduced at cathode and molten sodium metal floats on the denser molten salt mixture where it is collected in a side tube. Here is the equation reaction. This equation reaction help you what type of reactions occur in the beaker. Molten sodium chloride ionized. First thing is that molten sodium chloride ionized. Sodium chloride split into sodium plus and chlorine negative. Next, we convert these two signs. These two atoms ions are attracted to the opposite electrode. Sodium towards cathode because cathode carry negative charge, and chloride ion migrated towards anode. Anode carry positive charge. Anode here chlorine lose electron and it change into chlorine gas, and here sodium metal gain electron and is changed into neutral sodium atom. When we write overall reaction, then this electron is cancelled out with this electron in this way. This electron is cancelled with this electron, and this chloride ion with this, and this with this metal. No simple NaCl is here. Next arrow, next chlorine gas and sodium metal. This is the overall equation which remains after 3 steps. ये वो ओवरऑल इक्वेशन है जो 3 स्टेप्स के बाद आपके पास आएगी, जिसमें क्लोराइड भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आपके पास सोडियम भी, इलेक्ट्रॉन भी, ये इस तरह से कैंसिल हो गए क्योंकि हमारे पास राइट साइड पे इक्वेशन के राइट साइड पे जो साइन होगा अगर लेफ्ट साइड पे भी वही है विद सेम नंबर देन हम उसको कैंसिल कर देते हैं। ये आप सबको इस रूल के बारे में ऑलरेडी पता है। सोडियम मेटल यहाँ पे है लेफ्ट, यहाँ राइट राइट लेफ्ट कैंसिल हो गया, यहाँ भी राइट लेफ्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन कैंसिल हो गए। ओवरऑल हमारे पास 2 सोडियम क्लोराइड यहाँ से आ जाएंगे, यहाँ से क्लोरीन गैस नेक्स्ट सोडियम। दिस इज द ओवरऑल splitting of sodium chloride, fused sodium chloride into chlorine and sodium gas. This is your today diary about manufacturing of sodium metal from fused sodium chloride. If you have any query and problem in questions or in equations, you can discuss with me. Okay, mention this topic in notebook. Allah Hafiz.